Hey, this is James with Champion Plumbing. Um, I'm kind of doing a bunch of little videos on how I use DropFunnels. There's an affiliate link in the bottom there, and this is how I'm trying to essentially pay for my website by getting other people to sign up. But as a plumber, I'm not like a super good web guy, but DropFunnels has made it super easy for someone like me to run my business and have a functioning website without having to pay someone, uh, say $6,000 to have a website created. I'm basically just doing it myself in the evening. And I kind of wanted to show you some of the back end of DropFunnels, and this is the main body on why I have chosen this service. I could have went to like Squarespace or Shopify or whoever, but they just offer so many different features that really drew me to using DropFunnels. And I wanted to show you the back end stuff because I don't think a lot of other yeah, I don't think many people have really showed this to you guys. So obviously, like there's all the main troubleshooting and all that kind of stuff, but kind of what I wanted to show you is, I guess from my perspective, it's like all the real walkthroughs and it shows you exactly step by step on getting all this stuff working. And like I said, I'm not a web guy. I'm definitely learning a lot using these tutorials. It's like right from how to set up a custom domain, and like I knew how to purchase a domain from Google Domains or some of all these other places, but to actually like set all my own uh, domain stuff up, I personally would have just kind of threw my hands up in the air and and tried to hire someone. But with all these walkthroughs, it's just been amazing um, to just learn step by step how to do it. There's like videos. There's like this. It's like it tells you every step and what to do. It's super invaluable. The amount that I pay a year, like I'm on the pro account, and it's like $150, and I would like to be on the partner account, which is a little more, but um, uh, with the pro account, I have 5 different websites that I can have, and um, it's just super invaluable. Like I personally think that it should be a little more money, and it's not. So like I'm uh, definitely doing really well with using all this stuff. But where was I? Drop funnels. Oh, quick links. There we go. Knowledge base. What other stuff? Yeah, like there's Zapier integrations, all the funnel stuff, the builder and how to use the menus, like literally everything you would want to know about using DropFunnels, it's here. And there's also like a bunch of videos on YouTube that they've like kind of pre-recorded and then put onto YouTube. So that helps out too. And yeah, no, I just thought I'd share why I kind of like to use DropFunnels, and these are the main reasons why. Like they just give you all of the information. I tried to use Shopify for our what's it called? Our coffee company, like early on, and Shopify doesn't have this much information all on their site. They would rather have me pay somebody to create a website. They have links all over their stuff to try and get you to just hire somebody. Whereas DropFunnels, they teach you how to do it. And it's, like I said, it's super invaluable, and that's the major reason why I'm with DropFunnels today. If you wanted to look into it further or wanted to do like a Zoom call with me, feel free to get a hold of me, and I'd be happy to help out in any way I can. And thanks for watching today.